Okay, fine.
Okay, do it.
You ready?
We're not laughing.
Stop
Give me a
pushing.
tattoo.
Wait.
Go
Oh
on.
my God.
Terrence. Go ahead. Put your head down. Put your head.
Terrence, it don't matter.
Come on. Terrence. Do it. Okay, sit down. Sit down.
Go.
Go ahead. Sit down.
Don't do that.
That hurt?
No.
See?
Right here.
It's nothing. It doesn't really hurt, does it?
It stings.
I told you, but put it on there. Keep it on. It hurts now?
No.
It burned from the air?
Yeah.
Okay, you have to put it on.
They try now.
I want to do it.
You see? Let me do some.
No.
Just
It's mine. Cut. I just want to do it so Dad doesn't notice.
I'll make sure Dad don't notice.
Because I'm not going to snitch.
I'll fix you up.
Ellie, you put it makeup on.
It's gone.
Can you barely see it?
Yeah, let me see. Turn around. I can't see it, though.
You barely see it?
I can't see it.
No, because like a little blood.
Hey, buddy.
So as you can see, we just cleaned our little brother up, putting some lemon juice into his cut.
No, I think it was the real lemon.
Whatever. And you saw him crying like a little baby. But now he's better. He manned up and took it. He manned up and took it.
Act like that. Oh my God. Act like that.
Well, see ya.